G'day guys, it's Ross out here in the garden with a bucket of eggshells. Now in our house when we use eggs, we don't throw them in the compost bin afterwards, the shells that is. We put the shells in a bucket and then when they're dried out, we crush them up. Alright, so I've got a nice bunch of crushed eggshell. What I do then is sprinkle it around the outside of my garden beds, in this case a garden bed full of brassicas or drumhead cabbages. And it's a deterrent for slugs and snails. Now it's partially effective, I've had some success with this, but if you've got leaves that touch the side and the slug can come up and get on the leaf, it's not going to do any good, and they're also not as effective in really wet weather because a slug or snail can still slide over those wet eggshells. But in dry weather, they don't particularly like doing so. Again, it depends how hungry they are. But it can form part of your strategy for defeating slugs and snails, which also includes just getting rid of them if you see them. You can also use pellets if you want to go down that path. You can use copper tape. And you can also put a little container of beer level with the soil, and as they slide into the beer, they never come out again. And I've got to say, what a way to go. So look, if you've got your eggshells, don't waste them. Put them out in your garden bed. You can whiz them up till they're really fine. That won't be a deterrent, but that is a way of it breaking down a little bit quicker in the soil. But even these, as they are, will break down into the soil over time. They'll add calcium into that matrix that is your soil, and that's going to add nutrients into your garden bed and feed your garden bed, which in turn is going to feed you. All right guys, that's your tip for today. Thanks for your time. Till next time, happy gardening. See ya.